Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Today I'll be solving all these cubes. And while I'm solving them, I'm just going to do some talk over right now. And I just want to say, if you're watching the video, please do subscribe. I want to get to 100 subscribers this year, at least this year. And go subscribe to all my all my friends' channels. I'm actually competing against a friend to get to 100 subscribers, so that's why I'm telling you guys to subscribe. And yeah, so thanks for listening to me. Now I'll let the video play.